Imagine this. It's 2026. The heat is intense, and the traffic is at a standstill. You get into your shiny, high-tech SUV, push the start button, and instead of a smooth engine purr, all you hear is a frustrating click, click. Friends, in 2026, technology has gone space age, but true reliability is becoming a rare luxury. Should your hard-earned money go toward a car that just looks pretty, or one that will actually stand the test of time? Today on Auto Insight Pro, we're talking about peace of mind and protecting your investment. We've lined up the top 5 most reliable compact SUVs of 2026. And yes, today's list includes a fan favorite, the Honda HR-V. As for our number 1 pick, it's a game changer that's shaking up the entire industry. Let's dive in. Hello everyone, I'm your host, and you're watching Auto Insight Pro. If you want your next car purchase to be a total masterstroke, hit that subscribe button right now. Because here, we talk about nothing but solid facts. Starting our list at number 5 is the Mazda CX-5. While everyone else in 2026 is chasing tiny, stressed engines and complex turbochargers, Mazda is sticking to their simple is best philosophy. They haven't overcomplicated what already works. Its traditional 6-speed automatic gearbox and naturally aspirated Skyactiv engine are a match made in heaven. They just don't quit. This car consistently sits at the top of long-term durability charts because it avoids the sensors and software glitches that plague new arrivals. The big pro here is the interior. The craftsmanship is breathtaking, using soft-touch materials that feel like a premium German luxury car. On the downside, the infotainment system is controlled by a rotary dial, which might feel a bit dated for those who prefer giant, flashy touchscreens.
Now for number 4, the car you've been flooding the comments section for. The Honda HR-V. In 2026, the HR-V isn't just sporty, it's built like a tank. Honda's eHEV hybrid powertrain has matured so much that almost zero mechanical or electrical issues are being reported this year. This system is genius because it uses the electric motor to do the heavy lifting in the city, saving the petrol engine from unnecessary wear and tear. The biggest win for owners is the magic seats. This configuration allows you to flip the rear cushions up, giving you enough vertical cargo space to practically move a tall plant or even a bicycle. Just keep in mind, the HR-V is built for efficiency, not speed. Under a full load on the highway, the engine can feel a bit noisy and lazy during overtakes. Number 3 is for the adventure seekers, the Subaru Forester. This vehicle is the definition of peace of mind for anyone living in tough climates or rural areas. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive system is a masterpiece of mechanical simplicity. Subaru has refined the drivetrain to have fewer moving parts than traditional luxury odd systems. And fewer parts mean fewer things to break over 100,000 miles. The visibility is incredible, the pillars are slim, and the windows are massive, ensuring you won't find a blind spot even if you look for one. However, be aware that while it's rugged, its fuel economy lags slightly behind the hybrid leaders from Toyota or Honda. At number 2 is a legend you can buy with your eyes closed, the Toyota RAV4. For the 2026 model year, Toyota has refined the RAV4 to near perfection. Their hybrid system is the most tested in the world, and mechanics everywhere call this 2.5-liter engine bulletproof. It is a vehicle designed to last 20 years, not just 5. The massive plus point here is the resale value. Buying a RAV4 is essentially like putting your money in a high-interest savings account. When you're ready to sell, buyers will be lining up. The only catch? The cabin insulation is a bit thin, meaning you'll hear a fair amount of road and engine noise at high speeds. And finally, it's time for our number 1, the SUV that has surprised everyone in 2026, the Subaru Crosstrek. The Crosstrek has achieved a balance that even the giants found difficult. It combines low maintenance costs, top-tier safety, and the fewest reported electrical glitches in its class. In an era where cars are becoming over-engineered computers on wheels, the Crosstrek keeps it simple, rugged, and reliable. If you want a car that only asks for a regular oil change and stays by your side for a decade without a single warning light on the dash, this is it. It is hands down the smartest buy of 2026. So, those are our top 5 picks. Honda HR-V fans, have you made up your mind? Or are you sticking with the legendary Toyota resale value? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Insight Pro to stay updated on the truth behind every car. Drive safe, and always wear your seatbelt. See you in the next video.